Step into the 2007 Lexus RX 350. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, a power rear cargo door, and power front seats. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.